In this video, I'll show you how to prevent your Mailchimp emails from breaking in dark mode. Many email apps automatically switch emails to dark mode, which can sometimes invert colors and make text or buttons difficult to read. The first tip is to avoid using transparent PNG logos. Instead, use versions with a solid background or add a subtle outline so your logo remains visible on both light and dark backgrounds. Next, don't rely on white text over transparent backgrounds. Use background colors behind text blocks to maintain good contrast, regardless of the email client's theme. Choose high contrast colors for your text and buttons, and avoid using very light gray text as it can become difficult to read in dark mode. Before sending your campaign, always preview your email in both light mode and dark mode using different devices or email clients. This helps you spot any display issues before your subscribers do. Finally, keep your designs simple. Clean layouts with consistent colors and readable fonts are much less likely to break when viewed in dark mode. By following these best practices, your Mailchimp emails will look professional and remain easy to read in both light and dark mode. And that's how to fix dark mode issues in Mailchimp.